Hey guys, it's me Deb and welcome back to my kitchen. Today we're going to be making some chicken pot pie. But first I started by cooking some chicken thighs and then chopping them up, setting them to the side. I didn't have any chicken stock, so I mixed some better than bouillon with some boiling water. I needed 1.5 cups, so I used 1.5 teaspoons of better than bouillon to make some makeshift chicken stock. And then I also prepped all of my vegetables, so once it's time to make the filling, we can just get right into it. And there is my chicken stock. To make the filling, we start by sauteing onions and celery in butter for about 5 minutes. Then we're going to add some minced garlic and saute that for another 1 minute. Then we're going to add some all-purpose flour and saute that for 2 minutes. Then we're going to add some seasoning. So I used my homemade all-purpose seasoning as well as a little bit of Italian seasoning. And then add our chicken stock. We're going to simmer that for about 5 minutes and then add heavy cream and salt and pepper to taste. Let it thicken up and then turn off the heat. So in the next few minutes of video, I'm going to be showing you how your filling should come together. In total, it took me about 22 minutes from start to finish. I'm just going to let you watch that process. And this is what your filling should look like once you add your vegetables and chicken. So now I'm rolling out a pie crust to lay on top of my chicken pot pie. So we're going to have a top and bottom crust. I'm just rolling it out. Then I'm going to add my filling to my pre-made pie crust. And then I'm going to roll that rolled out pie crust to the top and seal the sides. Now don't forget to cut some slits in your top pie crust for ventilation. I put a whole lot of slits, but I don't think you necessarily need this many. I just like being extra sometimes. And then for that golden crust, we're gonna do an egg wash. So I just beat 1 egg and then we're gonna brush the top of the pie crust. Bake it at 400 degrees for about 30 minutes. And your pie should come out looking something like this.
Ooh, yes. That's crispy.
I really hope you enjoy watching this video. Make sure to like this video and subscribe if you would like to see more of my recipe. The kitchen is closed. See you next time.